Welcome to Indiana's most energy efficient home. In this series of videos, I will explain in detail its design and construction. This house was a do-it-yourself project. After 5 years of research, I began designing this house, and as it turned out, I also ended up being my own general contractor. Construction took place in 2015. It is now 2021. Since I have made a number of improvements to this house, I thought it a good time to share my experience. So here we are with the initial design goals. Number one, 100% solar powered. And not just for the house, but also for the electric vehicle. And along with that, fossil fuel free. So no natural gas, no electricity from the grid, because our local grid uses around 60% coal for its energy, and no oil for heating. So these are all out. And taking it a step further, no combustion inside the house. A lot of times you'll see energy efficient homes for heating, they'll use wood or wood pellets. So no combustion inside the house. The size of the house, decided to go with 1,850 square feet. And probably one of the most important design goals is to keep the cost under $140 a square foot. Also very important is low maintenance. Didn't want to design a house that had just a tremendous amount of new technologies that would require a lot of maintenance. So low maintenance is very important. The house has to be very comfortable, and it must have modern appliances. So no compromising on any of these. And just a footnote, our local utility currently has no net metering available. So when I say 100% solar powered, I'm not referring to net metering where you generate more in the summer and then you get credit back in the winter for a net zero home. This is running on solar year-round. Just to give you an idea of the location, we're in climate zone 5. Here's Lake Michigan, Chicago, and we're located, this house is in Mishawaka, Indiana. Here's the address if you want to do a Google Earth and take a look at it. You'll see the solar panels on the house. 2201 Forest Avenue in Mishawaka. We're about 100 miles as the crow flies from Chicago. And with this location, it comes along with an added degree of difficulty in achieving this goal, and that is lake effect clouds. So in our next video, we will begin going through step by step the design of the house, and as we further progress through these videos, they will become more and more detailed as we go along.